We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, you know what, the story is it's totally different today. Reason being is that it's a message, from one of our senior citizens. Yeah, man, and it's against Flow Telecommunications in Jamaica. And you know what, the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have always celebrated the unwavering support of our senior citizens, both in Jamaica and across the diaspora. As we said to you guys before, the reason why the channel reach where it reach, it's because our senior citizens, it's not young people now, it's old people. But yeah, I'm telling you, you understand, they are the one that are the backbone of this channel. And you're going to hear one of our Patreon members living in Jamaica, retired in Jamaica from, you understand, so you're going to hear from a senior citizen. And you know, these individuals are the backbone of our channel's growth and success. Yeah. And like some we don't believe in scam old people. No, we don't that. We don't scam. We don't scamming thing. That's why people don't like it. So old people, they bring wisdom. And we have a virgin, a big man. Them we call him daddy. You understand? Where him live in West Kingston. You know, some come from West Kingston to one of them things. So I mean, I tell you, say them the man. I tell them, man, believe you me. Me and him talk all the while. You know, so that's why we have the greatest amount of respect for our elderly, for our senior citizens. Can't diss them. They bring wisdom, resilience, and profound sense of community, which inspire us to continue delivering content that inform, empower, and uplift of our community. You know, it is through their loyal viewership, subscriptions, and active participation, whether subscribers, viewers, or dedicated Patreon members. And you know, like the old people, they want them think, the way is I tell them, say, you know, if it, no one, you can't talk to them, because them not like, when I tell them, so them are senior citizens, you understand. So we understand, you know, when people reach a certain age, they don't want you to remind them for various reasons. But you understand, but I just saw it go. So we have reached the heights, you know, we enjoy today. So they are the ones who are behind it, you know, the senior citizens and the loyal viewers and subscribers. So today we bring you the voice of one of our most loyal supporters, a senior citizen residing in Jamaica. Yeah, you know, live here, but you understand, but them all we are going in there, no matter about the crime and them thing, them love them Jamaica same, you know. You see, like how some people live in and say, oh, me not go back. Oh, them, all them time them kill people everywhere. Them say, boy, them are not bad enough, and them say, oh, if them are dead, them rather for dead for them yard and them thing, I just saw it go. So you can't beat them for that. You understand? So today we bring you the voice of one of our most loyal supporters, a senior citizen residing in Jamaica who had enough of the disrespect and negligence shown by Flow Telecommunications. This supporter has been a pillar for our community, embodying the very value we stand for: perseverance, truth, and the fight for justice. So despite our patience and compliance with all the steps Flo has requested to restore her services after Hurricane Beryl struck on July 3rd, 2024. She remains without connection. Her frustration echoes that of many other Jamaicans who feel abandoned by a company that holds a monopoly in the telecommunications sector. So the story of neglect and frustration, this senior citizen, like countless others, relies on telecommunications for safety, staying in touch with loved ones, even us here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, and accessing vital information. So since the hurricane, she has been left disconnected and unheard. Her repeated attempts to address the issue with Flo have been met with indifference and empty promises. This isn't just about a loss of service, it's about the loss of dignity. She feels, as many others do, that Flo treats its customers as nobodies, especially those who are most vulnerable like our seniors. So them people have no respect for people, especially our seniors. Seniors are supposed to get the maximum respect. You understand? In America here, senior citizens, they treat them totally different. So this level of disrespect and negligence and neglect is unacceptable. So our experiences highlights a larger systemic problem in Jamaica, the dangers of monopolies in essential services. When a company like Flo faces no real competition, it has little incentive to provide quality service or treat its customers with respect. Instead, customers are left at the mercy of a company that prioritizes profits over people. This loyal supporter has voiced what many others are thinking. There must be change, competition in the telecommunications sector. It's not just luxury, it is a necessity. It ensures accountability, better service, and the respect every customer deserves. A call to action. So we at Jamaica Young Police Channel stand firmly with this supporter and others who have been neglected and disrespected by Flo. We echo our call for action and demand the following. 1. Immediate restoration of services. Flo must take urgent action to reconnect customers who have been waiting since Hurricane Beryl. 2. Respect for our senior citizens, man. Our elders deserve to be treated with dignity and care. They should not have to beg for services they have paid for. And Flo, we even owe her over $4,000. Improve customer relations. Flo must overhaul its approach to customer service, ensuring transparency, responsiveness, and accountability. Encouragement of competition. Policymakers must make steps to encourage competitions and encourage competitors in the telecommunications sectors, breaking the monopoly and fostering a healthier market. To our senior citizens and all our supporters, we want you to know that your voices matter. You have built this channel into what it is today, and we will always use our platform to amplify your concern and fight for justice. This is more than just about a single company. It's about ensuring that Jamaicans, especially our elders, are treated with respect and care they deserve. We stand with this loyal supporter and all others facing similar challenges. Together, we will continue to push for change using our voices, our platform, and our collective strength to demand better for every Jamaicans. Flo, it's time to do better, man. Our seniors, and indeed all Jamaica deserve nothing less than, you show them respect. So we bring forward the heartfelt plea of a Jamaican senior citizen who has endured months of frustration and neglect from Flo Telecommunications following the devastation of Hurricane Beryl on July 3rd, 2024. Despite complying with every instruction and requirements the company has issued to restore her services, she remains without connection, leaving her isolated without basic communication tools a necessity in today's world. This senior citizen represents countless others in our community who have faced similar disregard, despite their repeated efforts to follow the prescribed steps. Flo has shown little or no respect for their plight, treating loyal customers as mere afterthoughts. Such behavior highlights a systemic issue, the danger of a monopoly in essential services like telecommunications when companies lack meaningful competition. The incentive to provide quality customers care diminishes, leading to treatment characterized by disdain and gross disrespect. The situation is dire. Months have passed since hurricane, and yet these citizens remain disconnected, ignored, and seemingly abandoned. The frustration is not merely about the lack of service, but the absence of dignity, empathy, and responsibility shown by Flow. This treatment is unacceptable, especially towards a senior population that relies heavily on these services for communication, safety, and connection to loved ones. So it's time for accountability. We urge Flow Telecommunication to prioritize the restoration of services immediately. Senior citizens, like all customers, deserve to be treated with respect and provided with reliable service for which they pay. The current lack of responsiveness undermines the trust that customers have placed in Flow and tarnishes the company's reputation as a provider. Furthermore, this case underscores the need for greater competition in Jamaica's telecommunication sector. A monopoly leave customer with no alternative and allows company to neglect their obligation without fear of losing business. Introducing or encouraging competitions would only ensure better service, but also foster a culture of respect and accountability toward customers. So it needs more competition, it needs more competitors. So we are letting you listen to, we are making you listen to senior citizens. So you watch, you listen, and you decide, because, you know, say they are the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Yeah, man, senior, we say that all the time. They are the ones that show us the greatest amount of respect. They are critical thinkers. These are senior citizens can differentiate between wrong and right. So you know that they have raised a generation like yourself who respect the truth. So I want you to listen to a senior citizen. Flow, you need to do better. You know. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Sir P, I see I have a missed call from you, but please, can you call me back? This is Miss Chin. I really need to talk to you about Flow, because they're treating us very bad as senior citizens down here, and I don't hold them. Please, Sir P, give me back a call. I appreciate it. This is Miss Chin Lee. Thank you. Good morning. I would love to make a complaint about Flow, if you could really do that for me. Since the hurricane of 2024 in July of the 3rd, we have no internet service. We start back the program. They said that we got to change the equipment, so they asked us to turn in the equipment, because whenever they come out, the equipment that we have, it not going to be good anymore. Okay, and we did a new application. Until now, we're still waiting. The Flow is just playing with all these people in Jamaica. They need to stop. And I need you to report it to Flow and make the people in Jamaica know what Flow is doing to the customers in Jamaica. And it's not right. They treat us like we are slaves. You understand? Right now, they owe me $4,000 and change, and I'm still waiting for my service. You know? So I would love for you to do that for me. I will really appreciate. My number is 810, and I greatly appreciate if you will return my call. Put it on the news and broadcast it that Flow is no good for the island of Jamaica. They don't treat Jamaican right. They just take advantage of us. The hurricane is since July. Now is November. They need to do better than what they're doing. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Keep up the good program. I listen to your program all the time, and your program is very well educated. Please, sir, have a lovely day.
So you hear the cry, you know, for senior citizen Flow. You know, so we call upon Flow Telecommunications to act immediately, man. Restore the service of the senior citizen and all other affected by Hurricane Beryl without further delay. Provide transparency, offer timeline and honest updates to affected customers about restorations efforts. Rebuild trust, man. Issue an apology and compensation for extended period of disconnection and inconvenience suffered by customers. Improve customer relations. Invest in better communication channels and customer service training to ensure all customers feel valued and respected. To government officials and regulators, this situation serves as a call to action. Policies must be implemented to encourage competition and prevent monopolies from abusing their dominance. It is critical to protect Jamaican citizens from complacency and indifference that monopolistic practices breed. This senior citizen and our community have waited long enough. Their patience and resilience deserve recognition and action. Let this appeal serve as a reminder to all stakeholders, the customers, companies and policymakers that the dignity of the well-being of Jamaican citizens should never be compromised for profit or convenience. So Flo, just do your right thing, man. Restore the, senior citizen service. This lady, this is one of our, what you call it, prize viewer and subscriber. Yeah, she is one of our senior citizen original. She is one of them from day one, from 2019 when we just start. So now, man, I say, oh yeah, if I support her, want more video and them thing. At them time, I 3 months with a team check the YouTube channel. And we see how I complain them, man. Then we start do a 1-1 video and one a month, and a peer complaint from the senior citizen them. They are the one because they must say, yes, we finally, you understand what I'm saying? We finally hear somebody. We talk the things that we're just afraid to talk. So these are the people that keep us going. And look here, we don't do things because I want people like, we don't say it as it is real mama papa truth. So Flo, let's do the right thing, man. Alright? And restore the senior citizen service. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.